Everybody, and very good morning. Is my voice audible to all?
Uh,
Yes.
yes, you're audible.
Okay. Everybody, we're going to start our day. So first of all, welcome you all in this Angular session for this NSAIT. So my name is Amarjeet. So I'll be the one who will be taking care of your Angular session, which is planned for next couple of days. Okay, so let's get started about what we have it, and step by step we will go and see what it is there for us. So shall we start now, everyone?
Okay.
So I'm sharing my screen now first.
Yes.
Okay. Well, so we are starting working with an Angular. So I wanted to know, like, before I get into this Angular development, how many of you have worked on Angular earlier? May I know that?
Yes, I have done internship on Angular.
Okay, so you guys have worked on.
Angular.
Okay, fine. Who else can I have answers, please?
No, sir.
Okay, no worries. But we'll be working on from the scratch to give you the better idea about what it really does. But before I get in to about an Angular, we have a quick pre-assessment which we would like to conduct it. So I'm sharing this link with all of you. Okay. So have this and let me know once you're ready, please. Okay. So I'm sharing this link with all of you. Did you receive this link in a chat?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is a 10 to 15 minutes of time. Okay. So it's the assessment for 15 minutes. Take your time, finish it off, and let me know by typing done in a chat window, please. Okay. Do not forget to type done once your assessment is over. Everyone, please confirm last 2 more minutes left. Finish this off and let me know. Everybody, so the time is up. So the pre-test which we have given, and I'm sure like many of you have already enrolled for this. So here we start working with our Angular learning. Okay, everybody. So first thing I would like to tell you about an Angular. You need to understand, guys, Angular is known as called what?
Hello,
Yeah,
Amarjit, this is Swati.
yes, Swati.
Actually, just now I have joined the meeting because it was unable to click. Means I was unable to click on that meeting link and all. What people are saying he done means what does it mean? Can I know? I mean,
That means we have given the pre-assessment.
okay, okay,
Okay, so that link is already given in a pre-assessment. Okay,
okay,
so
okay,
that we were saying, right? So I've already shared that link again, so you can appear it later on.
okay, okay, fine. Okay,
So everyone, so we were talking about a kind of Angular. Angular, you need to understand it is known as called single page application framework. So single page application means it is going to give you the kind of experience where being a desktop user or being a mobile user or being a, I would say, iPad user, you're going to get the consistent experience across multiple screen sizes. Okay, it is not, it is something different from multi-page application, because in multi-page application you develop lot many complex pages, and these pages getting loaded, it takes a lot of time. Single page applications are kind of micro views which give you the uh, readily information available to your browser and makes your application far more faster to load compared to the standard multi-page application, which is also called MPA. The version of Angular, the version of Angular which we will be using it, that version will be 2 plus. Okay, that is a version 2 plus, because this version from where the actual language called TypeScript has been introduced. TS stand for what, everyone? TypeScript. So TypeScript is a core language for your Angular. Okay, and this TypeScript gonna give you the idea of like how the Angular application can be developed in far more simplified version, because TypeScript will let you feel that you are developing a code like in C++ or Java. That's what exactly your TypeScript really works in. So we have a call Angular, we have a call Angular 2 plus, which is the existing new version which we are talking about. TS stands for TypeScript application. So here onwards, we'll be developing this Angular application. One more important thing you need to understand, Angular is called component centric framework. Component in a single word, if I just tell you, it is known as called what? View. So it is known as called a view centric framework. So this is helping you to create some more better effects for the end user to increase or enhance the user experience. Okay, so we will discuss more about Angular, what Angular really does, what are the benefits we will get it about an Angular step by step, and we'll start developing some practical implementations of Angular. But before that, I want to know, we need two softwares for us. One is called Node.js. Okay, and second what we required is VS Code Editor. So please confirm, do we have both the softwares with us? Type yes if you have, or no if you don't. Okay, so let's pause it and let's try to install these two softwares first, in case if you do not have. You just guys go to this Node.js download, and here in Node.js download, you will see MSI version which is available here called 64-bit. Are we clear? So you can basically download this 32-bit or 64-bit. I would rather say 64-bit, and keep on saying next, next, next to get it ready. Are we clear? So please install this version in your code. Once it is ready, okay, you have to basically go to your VS Code editor. And from here, you can just download the zip file, which is a 64-bit, to get yourself ready. And extract it. You're going to get one Visual Studio, one link. You click on this and get your installation ready. So please install both and let me know by typing done in a chat window, please. Okay, so please quickly get it ready and let me know.
Sir, in Node.js, we have to download it from LTS or current?
No, Node.js, you basically download this one, MSI.
Okay.
Don't use current, use LTS.
Okay. So, are we going to get this recorded session?
Yeah, you will.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Amajit, are you talking about that is Visual Studio Code Editor? These only, right? Can I share my screen?
For what?
Are you talking about this, na, Visual Studio Code Editor? So
Mm-hmm.
this is the same which we have installed in the morning. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure.
These only, right?
Yeah, correct.
And Node.js
Wait,
means
but wait, you have an Angular older version with you.
okay.
That is a pretty old version of Angular.
Okay.
Okay, that's why. So we are expecting to have enhanced version, and that is only possible when you have a latest. So I'll tell you how to do this. Okay, but which version of Node you have it?
Actually, Node, actually, that also I had, but I'm unable to open this Node.js now after
No,
double
no, no,
click.
not this. No, 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 no. Just close this. Click on once again on icon.
Yeah,
Yeah. Type Node.js command. Just see there's a Node.js command from below. This one.
this first one.
Yeah. Just type node space -v. Yeah, that is perfect.
Okay.
So and your VS Code editor is also perfect.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay, so everybody, please let me know once you are all ready by typing done in the chat window so that at least I can understand how many of you are ready. Okay, so if it is installed, guys, what we need to do is first step. Everyone, the first step in your C drive, create a new folder name called Angular training under the C drive. So after that, you go inside this folder by using cd space Angular training, and under this type this command. Using this your command prompt, say npm space I space just execute this command, just wait. Yeah. So execute this command step by step. Okay. And after this, once it is done, then execute the next command by saying and let me
Sir,
know.
can you repeat this step?
So first of all, in a C drive, create a new folder called Angular training. Go inside this using this command. After that, execute this command from your command prompt. And after this, type this command. And let me know the steps.
Hello, that CD Angular training that we need to type in command prompt.
Yeah, see, this folder you will be creating it manually.
Yes, in C drive that done.
Then see, this is through command prompt. You can go either you can directly go inside this and execute this command. These two commands needs to be executed under this folder. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, I'm using Angular 11. Will it be okay?
Yeah, perfectly fine.
Okay.
Hello.
You tell me.
Yeah, Prasad here. I'm getting error after running the first code, first command.
What error are you getting it?
Yeah.
Just share your screen.
Yeah, just. Is it visible?
Yeah. So which command are you using? At the rate, you forgot at the rate before. Press the up arrow key.
Okay.
Press the up arrow key.
Yeah.
Put at the rate before Angular. No, at the before Angular.
Yeah. Yes.
At the rate. Yeah. Enter. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Do we need to use in strict mode or not?
No.
Okay.
Okay. So it'll ask you about a few questions while installing this particular application when you use this command. So it'll ask you about the first question like, would you like to enter? Would you like to use React router? Would you like to use CSS? So just keep on saying enter. Don't check or uncheck anything. Just keep on pressing enter. when you will be executing this command. Few questions it will ask you. Just keep on pressing enter to continue.
Hello.
Enter.
Sir, I'm just typed a CD Angular training. It shows the system cannot find the path specified.
So then you have to check the file name. Na? Going into this folder is the basic thing. Create this folder first and go inside this using this command. So the naming convention, you check small scale, capital letters.
Even I'm getting the error actually. In command prompt, I typed first C slash that Angular training. Then I'm getting error as is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file.
My dear friend, I said, I'm not saying this command. I'm saying under the C drive, create this folder and inside you go there. I'm not saying type this. I'm saying under the C drive, type this, create this folder and go inside this.
Is that folder I have created in C drive?
Share your screen.
Okay. Here I have created the folder.
Copy this and go inside your command prompt. Just a cd space. Enter. You're there now. What is the big deal?
Okay. Okay, CD. Okay. I didn't type C. Okay.
Okay. Everyone, please let me know once you're all are ready.
So my that package installation is getting failed. The error is the schematic workflow failed. See above.
Just share your screen.
Yeah.
For those it is happening, please do let me know.
So actually, I haven't joined by from my PC.
Even I'm getting the same thing. Should I use minus force means
Yes,
hyphen force?
yes, use hyphen force at the end.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you've asked one question to me, so you better use hyphen force at the end to make it. So guys, please make it and let me know. And once it is there, then you have to use the next command call. And after that, you say this command call. Sir. Okay. And after that, you open your browser and type So this is the command you need to type it down. So after this is done, you have to use this command. Go using ngserve and say localhost 4000 in your browser.
So I didn't get that ng new my app error.
Means I didn't get what you're saying.
Like the error was raised now, so you said something to do.
I
So I
said
didn't get that.
just use this command -4.
Hello. After I type that command, no npm I at the angular, then after that I need to type that ng new my app, right?
Yes, so these commands you have to type it in a one by one.
One by one. Yeah. So I have typed that second one, that is ng new my app. So they are asking, would you like to add Angular routing?
That's what I'm trying to say. Just keep pressing enter. Just keep on pressing enter. Do not check or uncheck anything. Just keep on pressing enter.
Okay. Okay.
So after like typing that command of -4, still it is getting error.
Madam, unless you can share your screen, I can't help. If you join through the mobile, I really can't help.
Okay.
I need to see your screen to basically understand what matter you're seeing this error.
Hi sir, I'm getting GIT not recognized.
That
Internal
you can ignore those. That you can
Okay.
ignore.
I'm getting as the schematic workflow failed. See above after entering ng new my app command.
That's what I'm trying to say. Use -force in that case.
So it's showing you cannot start screen share while the other participant is sharing.
So nobody's sharing the screen. So yeah, I need to stop before you screen. So you are sharing the screen?
Yeah, sir.
Right. So I said you use -force. I told you already.
So yeah, I did that. Still it is still I'm getting the error.
Wait. Yes, enter. Press enter. Press enter. It's happening.
No, sir. See.
Okay. Just do one thing. Just the cd space my app cd space my-app. Enter. And say npm space I. npm space I. npm space I. Type the command npm space I.
This
Enter.
now?
Yeah, enter. Just say npm space I -force. And idea I said npm space I -force.
Yes, sir.
You can type few characters by your own. It will happen now.
Okay.
If you can stop the screen. Others, please confirm if you all are ready.
Hello. Amajit, can you share your screen? We need to type the next commands.
Yeah, hearing it now. Yeah, that's the command.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, please tell me.
Yes, sir. I'm asking for would you like to add Angular routing?
Sir, I asked you earlier also, whatever question is asked inside this and this. So
Setup.
just keep on pressing enter.
Okay, and then
Keep on
yeah, just
pressing
a minute.
enter. Whatever it is asked you, keep on pressing enter.
So it's at the end it's showing the schematic workflow failed. See above, and I have used -force.
So in that case, what you can do is just use this command. Do one thing, execute this command, otherwise just use this. Okay, and inside you go and say go inside this folder and say npm space I space -force. And once it is done, execute ng-serve and open the browser and say this.
Oh, okay, okay. Just let me check.
Hello. After typing localhost 4200, what we need to do, or we need to wait over there?
No, did you type this localhost 4200 in your browser?
Yes, yes.
But your ng-serve executed?
Yes, yes. I got message that compiled successfully.
So 4200 when you press and hit enter.
Sorry, I have typed that in browser.
What you typed in a browser?
Localhost colon for 4200.
So did you get some outcome?
Yes, yes. My app is running resources, learn Angular, CLI documentation. That one I'm
Yeah,
getting.
yeah, that's it. That's it. That is what we are expecting.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Others, please confirm in a chat whether it is working fine or not. I'm waiting for all of you, please.
Hello. Amarjit, the training link which you have sent, that we need to type in browser or in any app, where it is exactly?
Which link you're saying?
At the starting only you have shared some link, na? The people are replying done to
That was a
assessment somewhat.
pre-assessment link that is already done. Okay,
Okay.
so that you can use it post the training is over today.
Okay, okay. Where we need to do that, in browser itself or?
In a browser, yes, it is in browser. It is a browser link.
Okay, okay.
So everyone, I'm sure like we all are ready, and kindly open your VS Code editor, please. And in your VS Code editor, you would like to open up this folder and see your browsers, your folder browsers is basically showing this folder structure or not. So go to the file menu, select open folder and select this my app folder and say open. So this folder structure you must see here. Just please confirm if you're able to. Everyone.
Hello, can you just repeat that?
See, I'm saying is like you have to open this particular folder, the one which you created called My App inside your VS Code editor. So go to the file menu, select say open folder, select that folder and open it. And you should see this folder structure like that. Okay. Please everybody tell me by typing done if you reach till here.
Hello, is it I'm audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible. Please tell me.
I'm disconnected Zoom meeting. How can I share my someone?
Sir, actually, I'm not, your internet connection is not actually, we are able to hear you properly.
Right now, sir.
No, but what is the challenge?
Sir, I'm
you're facing?
disconnected from Zoom meeting. I'm disconnected from Zoom meeting.
Sir, your voice is still not
Might
audible.
come.
Sir, your
Right.
voice is still not audible properly. Your internet connection is still not stable. So please check your internet connection again. We're unable to hear you properly. Well, everybody, you have seen this kind of folder structure which is there right in front of you. So I want to tell you like here, Angular is basically the kind of component-centric architecture. So what I need to do in this first step is, can you see this SRC folder, everybody? Everyone confirm. Are you able to see this folder structure?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. So what you need to do in this folder structure, when you expand your SRC folder, I want everybody to please pay attention. Inside this SRC folder, you see there's a folder called app. Do you see this app folder? Yes, everyone. Do you see this app folder here?
Yes.
Inside this app folder,
Yes.
you need to realize it. There's a one component name called app.component.ts. Do you see this right now? Yes.
Yes.
This is app.component.ts. There's a file called app.component.html. Do you see this? So what you need to do is inside this app.component.html, whatever you have it, you delete it everything inside this app.component.html and write only one message called welcome. Save your file and check whether you are able to see this message or not on your browser. Just check and confirm.
It's working.
Yes, it's working.
Everybody, is it working fine? Please update. Yeah. So I have removed everything from my app.component.html and kept it very simple message. And do you see this TS file? In TS file, you just put one property called my name equal to whichever name you want to put it here. Are we clear? And just use it like this. Welcome, double curly braces, my name, and see what outcome you see. Just put your value, my name equal to this, whatever name you want to give it, and just make it available here and check what you see.
We need to save that from a file menu, right?
Yes, so go to the file menu and say save all. Mostly you should use save all. There's an option called save all. Use this option.
Okay.
Everybody, are you able to see this? Please confirm. When I say NG sir, so I should see this outcome in my browser. You see this message is coming up. Everybody, please confirm. Are you able to see this message here?
Yes.
So
Yes.
just to tell you, like whatever data you provided into your TS file, you're making it available to the HTML. This is known as called binding expressions. What we say? Everybody, what is called?
Binding
Binding
expression.
expression.
Suppose if I want to give another property here, call what? So how will I bind this in my HTML? Could you please help me? How will I bind this? Everyone?
Inside double curly braces, we write city, my city.
What I need to say?
In double curly braces, my city.
I hope everybody is clear now. And if I want to make it a little bit bold, how will I do this?
We can use HTML syntax B.
Getting it? Everyone?
Hello, my localhost on front end is not working. Actually, it's showing blank.
What is saying?
Localhost in front end is not working. It's showing blank.
What blank?
The complete screen is blank now.
After you made some changes then?
Yeah, after I type welcome and all, nothing I can able to see.
Did you save the file?
Yes, I have saved the file.
Then it should have been there. Just share your
Uh,
screen.
Yeah. Yeah, here I have typed welcome my name, but in front end, no, it's
Can I see your terminal from where you're executing this program?
yeah, here.
Where's the command prompt?
Command prompt. Okay.
See? My name, madam, there is no space between my and name. See, there is a clear cut error. Show me the TS file, app.component.ts. What is the file name? Title. Where's the my name is given? Have you provided my name here? No. So you provide the my name here. After line number 9, press enter.
After line number. Okay.
Your type, give same my name equal to. Don't give space. Don't give space. My name equal to, give your name in a single quotes, madam. Okay, so this name you have to use it and save this file. Go to the HTML page.
Semicolon.
No, not that is optional. Save this file and go to your HTML. Go to this HTML and remove this extra space between my and name. Are you clear now?
Okay. Yeah.
Refresh. Go to your terminal. Say Control C. Wait, now it came. See,
Yeah, it came. Yeah, I have missed that step, I guess. TS. Yeah. Sorry.
so you can stop the screen, Swati.
Yes, yes.
So Swati, most of you people are from Mumbai or anybody is from South India also?
I'm from Mumbai.
No, most of your team members here are from Mumbai, Pune or somewhere from outside also.
No idea about other people actually.
Oh,
I am from outside, Sangli.
okay. No, I'm asking like other than Maharashtra.
Yeah, I'm from Gujarat.
Okay. Who else? Anybody from South India?
I'm from Karnataka.
Okay.
from Tamil Nadu.
I am from Tamil
Yes,
Nadu.
Yes, sir. I'm from Hyderabad.
Oh, nice.
I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Good to hear. Okay. So here I'm starting my application again, and I'm sure that you guys are clear. Are you clear first of all? I need a quick yes answers in a chat if you all are clear. Till here at least. Okay. So this is known as called binding expression. Now I tell you about one important thing here. When you talk about an Angular, I want to discuss about an Angular architecture. Just watch it. Everybody, can you see this architecture here first? Everyone, please confirm. Are you able to see this architecture?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
See, this is your component. This is your component. In your component, you have three things: template, TS, and CSS. How many things you have it? Everybody? Template. Template where your HTML code will go. TS where your data will go. CSS where your beautification code will go. So whatever data template wants to display, it comes from where? Everybody, whatever data template want to display, it comes from where?
TS file.
TS file. As you see it right now here, this data comes from where? Everybody, this data comes from where?
TS file.
TS file. So whatever data you see in a template, it comes from the TS. And what the CSS does, it actually beautify the code and make it available here. Okay, so just imagine in my component, this is my component. In this component, you see we have a called template URL is what? Come on. So template URL is what?
HTML component.html.
This, and what is my CSS? Come on.
It is CSS which app.component.
Yeah. So if I in my HTML, okay, if I just put this under where? Under this paragraph by saying what? And put this paragraph where? Here. Okay, so if I go to my CSS and say what? If I say like this, P color colon blue violet, it automatically applies to where? Come on, to this HTML through what? Style URLs. So now, guys, are you clear now? Everyone? Everybody?
Yes.
So what is
Yes.
happening? In a traditional HTML pages, you basically include the CSS library inside your HTML page. But here, the CSS library is applied to this HTML through what? Come on, through this component. Are you clear or not, everyone? Everyone,
Yes.
are you able to understand? So this CSS library is applicable to this HTML through this TS file. And that is what this diagram I've shown you. So this CSS, okay, it applies to this HTML through this TS. Now tell me one thing, in a real time, data is actually available where? Everyone?
Database,
Database.
And you interact with database through what? Come on,
APIs.
Mm,
like
APIs.
that APIs are
APIs.
using what? Java, .NET or PHP.
Yes.
Okay. So in case if this TS wants to receive the data from this REST API, so what is actually happening is in this Angular, we have a support available name called what? Come on, service. So service is nothing but a class which helps to connect this TS to where? Third party service. So this service works as a mediator between this TS and what? The REST API. Are you clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
And this service is a part of Angular only. So Angular connects with this service to communicate with the REST APIs. And this index.html file is where your component is visible. So when the user see something in my index.html file, it comes actually from where? Everybody, it comes from where? From the component.
Component.
So whatever user see in my browser, it comes from the component. I hope architecture is clear to everyone. Everybody,
Yes.
please. Architecture
Yes.
is clear to everyone. So that's what the whole idea is. That's how the picture is. Okay, so since we are now clear about what it is all about, we would like to continue implementing the same logic. Okay, now understand one important thing. See, architecture is very, very important. And if you understand that architecture, your learning on Angular gonna be very, very easy. Every component, whichever you created, it always have one unique ID name called what? Come on,
Selector.
selector. This is the selector name app-node. Everybody, are you getting my point? Everyone, are you all getting my point?
Yes.
Every component have got what? Come on, please, every
Selector.
Selector.
selector name. This selector name can be anything, but this selector name, whatever you're using it, okay, this selector name and index.html file. Do you see this now? This must be same. If you do not have the same name, that particular component cannot be available to the index.html file. Are you clear, everyone? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
What I
Yes.
said once again, this selector name and this index.selector name both must be same. By mistake, if I give some different name, suppose if I just forgot to add the name, so program will compile successfully, but in your browser, it goes blank. And maximum time people don't understand when the browser goes blank. So I would always suggest to just right click and inspect and go to the console to check what went wrong. So what it is telling you, come on, read this question. What it is telling you.
Selector app row did not match any.
Yeah, so you quickly identify the problem is what? Come on, this name and index name. Now, the moment I give this T, problem is solved. Are you clear, everybody?
Yes.
Everyone, are you all clear?
Yes.
Okay, cool. another important thing you would need to understand is every component whichever we created, every component, that particular component need to necessarily go under which location? Come on, app.module.ts. This app.module.ts is very, very important. This is a module where it is a kind of centralized directory. What is said once again, it is kind of what?
Centralized directory.
Where it contains what? The all different type of dependencies. All different type of what?
Dependencies.
Your code. Okay. So right now the component whichever we created it, by default component is app component. This goes under which location? Come on. Guys, it goes under which location? Under your
Declaration.
declaration.
Declarations.
So I have already commented out everywhere. So just please put this comments on your app.module so that you can remember what individual arrays are doing it. So please comment, write these comments accordingly so that you can remember always. Do it and let me know by typing done. Let me know once you are ready, please.
Hello. In command prompt, na, I was getting that error, na, just now I have shown. So what did you say? Type control C, right?
Yeah.
But after typing control C, na, I'm getting the previous command which I have typed.
We have to say ng serve again.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So friends, we understand about your component goes here, and also you see there's one name called what bootstrap. Do you see this concept like in bootstrap here? Everyone, guys, do you see this array called bootstrap? So it contains a welcome file. So which welcome file I'm talking about? App component. So this app component will be available to the end user while declaring those. So friends, are you all clear? Everyone?
Yes.
So Bootstrap contains that particular component which you are expecting it to be loaded at the time when your application starts. So are you all ready for the new component creation?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Can we put multiple component in Bootstrap?
Yes, you can. You can. Okay. So can we go back and create a new components now, everyone?
Yeah.
Everyone, please confirm. Can we go back and create a new components?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so let me try to do something manually, and later on we can try something as a shortcuts. So I'm terminating the server by using Control C. So my server is terminated. Okay. And why I'm terminating server? Because till the time I finish my job, I do not want my server to be unnecessary getting ready. So now what I will be doing it under my app folder. Please everybody watch it. Under my app folder, I'm going to create a new folder name called main app. Please watch it carefully. Under the app folder, main app. Under the main app, I'm going to create a new file called main app dot. Come on. Saji, which one I created? Main app dot component dot ts.
Yeah.
Again, another file called
HTML.
HTML.
these two files I've created it. Now to create a component, what I'll be doing it now. Everybody watch it. I'm saying main app. Okay, in this main app, I'll be annotating this class with what? Come on, everyone. At the rate
Component.
and the moment I say add that component, it says auto import. I hit enter and you can see it has automatically came from where? Angular core. Are you clear? Everyone.
Yes. Yes.
And this component, I'll put a round brackets and curly braces. Two things is compulsory. One is called what? Selector name. What
Selector.
use here?
Main app.
And second is called what?
Directives.
Template. In this template, I can give which value? Welcome to main app. Are we clear? That's
Yes.
it. Okay. And that's it. We are giving it now. So see right now I may not be using this. I'm keeping it blank because I'm using what template rather than template URL. So I can write the HTML code right here itself, which is not correct, but at least you can write it. Okay. So I'm writing this template here and next step will be what? Everybody declare this component under where? Come on, under the, come on.
Module.
Yes.
App module.
Everybody, are you all able to
Yes.
understand?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. And where I need to declare this component in which location?
Declaration.
Everybody, I hope you got that
Declaration.
here because I mentioned it. They contain components. I put comma and what is the name of my component?
Main app.
Main
And the
app.
moment I type, immediately giving me the suggestion. I hit enter and you can see it is imported now. Clear? Everyone.
Yes.
So after adding this main app, I will be also adding this main app where? Come on.
In Bootstrap.
And what is the selector name here? Come on, main hyphen app. I'll go to my index.html file and say what? Okay, everybody. And that's it. And launch my application. And I should see the outcome in my browser. I hope you guys clear now. Come on. Are you clear, everyone?
Yes.
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 So that is how it is. So please go back and create the same and let me know by typing done in a chat window.
Hello. I have typed that @component, but after that it automatically came, right? First line import component. That didn't come for me actually.
You may, if it doesn't come automatically, better you type it. Okay, it happens
Okay.
sometimes.
Okay.
Guys, please finish it off and let me know quickly.
Sir, can you switch to the app module.ts?
For anyone it is working fine, do let me know in a type by typing done in a chat window, please. For anyone it is working fine.
Hello, actually I'm getting error. So I have inspect that element is blank I'm getting. So that's showing uncaught reference error. Main is not found.
Just check it correctly actually. Maybe some mistakes.
Because that folder name now I have created as by mistakenly main hyphen app.
Yeah, so that's okay. That's not a problem. So you just change the reference accordingly in your app.model.ts. So make sure that you give the proper naming convention here, the location in that way. And last but not least, in index.html file, you pass the selector name and check.
Where actually?
Just check the reference name is correct or not here.
Yes, I have given main slash app. That selector, no, I have given main slash main hyphen app, whatever the folder name.
No,
So there I
correct.
need to give double hyphen or what? Or
No, no,
in template.
that's
Welcome
okay.
to main app.
That's okay.
In Bootstrap cannot find name app.
Sorry,
In Bootstrap cannot find name app.
did you given this name main app here?
Yes.
Just share the screen.
Okay. So this error I'm getting cannot find name app.
How
Main.
can you give the name of this selector here? You have to give the class name here. Remove the main hyphen app here. I told you earlier also there you have to give the class name, not main hyphen app. What is your class name? Open the main app.component.ts. How? Swati, please understand the naming convention. You are not supposed to give hyphen while giving the class name.
Okay.
Change the
Here.
name to main app and keep M capital. Naming convention must be well understood.
Okay.
A capital, always initials must be capital. Make it as a habit. Save it and go back to the app module. Is already opened on the top left hand side. Remove the main hyphen app from here. Remove this main app. RA, my dear, remove the main app itself.
Here,
And type main app now. Type main app now after comma. Enter. See, it came automatically from on the top.
Okay. Class name I don't have to write hyphen. Okay.
Yeah.
Here
And
also
do the
same.
same thing in line number 16 also. Yeah, save it and go to the app.component.html. Sorry, index.html.
Index.html.
That is correct. Okay, and package name should not be hyphen. Remember one thing, your folder name should not be hyphen. Though you
Yeah.
have given that is okay, but it should not be.
Okay.
Now see your browser now. Okay, just restart the server by saying Control C. Your server was not started. Just start the server and the serve.
So is already in use.
I think terminal start, the server is started from somewhere else. Just see your Eclipse, VS Code editor. From there, it might have been started. See, it is running here. Say Control C from here. And now you say ng serve from here. Ng space serve. Enter. What it is saying?
Component is declared here. Export class.
Show me this main app.
Sorry.
Wait. Show me the app component.html. App component.html.
App component. एक minute.
What you're doing it here? My city, you written it where in double curly braces? Or what you're writing it now? My city should be under double curly braces.
Sorry.
You left this curly braces blank. You need to put something inside this, no?
Okay. Yeah.
Oh my dear, how can you put Mumbai here? Just show me the TS file here, app.component.ts. Swati, are you listening it properly or you are completely confused?
No, I'm listening.
No, you are not listening because I'm seeing like you are making those mistakes which has been already informed that not to do. Please go back to the app.component.ts.
App.component. Okay.
We're giving my city, my name, title. So this my name and this my city should be go under the curly braces, no? Double curly braces. So just go open your HTML file, app.component.html. App.component.html, Swati.
Sorry. App.component. Yeah.
So why you're putting Mumbai in double curly braces? In double curly braces, you would get property my city. You put my city inside this. Are you able to understand or you are just typing because of no reason?
And here. Sorry.
In double curly braces, what it goes inside? What goes inside this double curly braces? Tell me.
A city name.
City name you have already given inside your TS file. Open the TS file app.component.ts. So what is the key name? What is the key? My name. What is the key? My city. What is the key? Title. So in double curly braces, you should always put key, not the value. Values are already given. Swati, Mumbai in my app.
Okay.
What okay? What you understood? You please tell me.
I need to write key.
So what is the key name here inside your HTML?
Where is that?
So under double curly braces, what it goes inside?
Key name.
Yeah, key name. Then why are you putting Mumbai there? Save your file. And now go back to your browser and refresh. It's already saved. It is already saved. Just go back to the server and restart it again. We're using Control C. Not from here. Your server is already running from the from your VS Code editor. Terminate the server using Control C. Refresh your browser back.
Okay.
So please, Swati, remain focused. What has
Yeah.
been told. you are not listening properly. You are just doing it something. And you know what is the main problem? The problem is now you are typing along with me. And please remember, this is not a race where you will be typing along with me and you will be becoming a first. So please listen to the first of all that lecture properly, and then you go and implement the code. Are you getting my point?
Okay.
Okay, so you can stop the screen. Okay, others, those who are done, could you please let me by typing done in a chat window, please? Everybody, please update me, those who are done. Quickly. I do not want any delay. Please update me quickly, those who are done, please. I still could see many people are still left. They haven't typed. So please be interactive in a chat and help me if you are done. Okay, now listen very carefully, guys. This app.component.ts, whichever we have done, it is working fine. Okay, now tell me one thing, guys, here. Everybody listen very carefully. Tell me one thing. This template, what we have written it, this template is nothing but an HTML code. Do you think writing this template here is a good idea? Everyone, please confirm.
No.
Do you think this writing template is a good idea?
No,
Why?
No,
because there can
it
be
should
a
it should be
big
written in
HTML
HTML.
code.
Yes, absolutely. Because this could be a bigger HTML. So what I can do, I can just cut this and paste it where? Here. And here what I can do, come on. Template
URL.
equal to, what is the name?
That is
Main app component.html.
Are you clear now, everybody? So your outcome is going to be remain same. You see this, your outcome is going to be remain same, no change at all. But the better advantage, what you get? Come on, you can keep your HTML code away from your template. Make sense?
yes.
Everybody, please confirm. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, cool. The another advantage now, since we have created this component, now tell me one thing. If I want to create one more component, okay, everybody, if I want to create one more component, like what? Everybody, suppose if I want to create one more component name called what? User app. Okay, so what I will be doing it now? Tell me step by step now. I want to create one more component called user app. So Swati, could you please tell me what do you need to do?
Yes, create a folder inside app, that is
Okay.
new folder user app.
So what I need to give? User
App.
app. So remember, we'll never give hyphen here. Clear?
Yes, yes.
What next?
New
Which
file, user app component dot html and ts.
Which one?
User app dot component dot html.
Wonderful. What next?
In ts file, we need to write export class user u capital a capital.
Superb. Now I love it because the way you are explaining me, I really happy. At least you're able to understand the way the flow is going on. Okay, next.
Yeah. Then after the @ component
You see this, it comes from which package?
.NET Core, Angular Core, sorry. Yeah.
And here what we give? Come on.
Selector and template.
So selector, what you can think, what name I can give it now?
Selector,
So whatever your class
user
name is,
app.
same
User
thing we
app.
can give it like this. By using what?
User hyphen app.
Okay. Second is what?
Template URL equal to.
So why not template? Why template URL?
Because the that can HTML code can be long, so
Superb.
it's
Yeah.
better to give the path.
But template URL, then what?
That user app dot component dot html.
Nice. What next? So in user app.component.html, I can say now. Okay.
Yes.
What next?
Then in index.html file.
No, my dear. First of all, you have to declare it under where?
App.module. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, so what I'll be doing it now?
Yeah. Here, comma user app.
See, it automatically came.
Yeah.
What next?
But again, in Bootstrap also you need to write that.
Done.
Yes.
And what next? Last but not least.
Yeah, that index.html file. There also you need to write users hyphen app. Save.
I hope you're clear now.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Sorry.
So Swati, are you able to understand the complete picture now?
Yes. Yes.
Superb. So others, please confirm. Logically, are you all clear? Everyone, please confirm.
Yes.
Logically, are you
Yes.
all clear? Everyone, please confirm. Logically, are you all clear?
Yes.
So that's where exactly the code we need to write it down. And I'm sure like everybody's understood and clear what we were supposed to do. So this is called component. So like that, we will be having so many other components which will be developing it one by one to take this development ahead. All clear? Everyone?
Yes.
Please confirm. All clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Cool. So guys, this is what we understood about an Angular. So Angular is a beautiful framework. Again, I'm telling you, it will take some time to get yourself adjusted with Angular. So don't be in very much hesitant state like Angular is tough. Angular is beautiful and very, very simple. Provided you need to spend some time with this Angular and it becomes the best friend of yours. Because the architecture of Angular is way different from .NET and Java. But once you are used to with this, then there's no limit. So I'm sure that we all are clear about whatever we have discussed today. Everyone?
Yes.
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 So tomorrow onwards, we would like to continue this journey ahead and talk more and more about that. Okay, everybody? So till then, enjoy your time and have a great evening to all of you. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Okay, thank you
Yes.
very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
thank you.
Thank you.